Welcome to Travel Discovery. Today we are in Japan. Japan is in East Asia and it's an island country located in the northwest Pacific Ocean. It's bordered on the west by the Sea of Japan and it extends into the north toward the East China Sea and Taiwan in the south. The capital is Tokyo. The national language is Japanese, and the population is about 126 million. Japan is made up of a string of islands on the eastern edge of Asia. There are 4 main islands. There are also nearly 4,000 smaller islands. Japan's nearest mainland neighbors are the Siberian region of Russia in the north and Korea and China farther south. The best times to visit Japan is March to May to avoid winter snow and summer rain. And here we are looking at what's called a sushi train. It's a modern way of enjoying sushi in Japan. And of course, you must try the sake, which is the national spirit of Japan, Japanese rice wine. Served hot, it infuses the senses. Japan is also known for its trademark cherry blossoms, where you can see them in all their glory. One of the top things to see in Japan is Mount Fuji. Beautiful, awesome sights. Great for photographers. Japan consistently delivers the unexpected. For every Shinto shrine and futuristic city, there is a beach-fringed tropical island or a forest trail climbing the slopes of a snow-capped mountain. Of course, you will see all the cliches in Japan. Zen gardens, sumo wrestlers, bullet trains, they're very easy to find. But what blows travelers away is how Japan, as I mentioned, delivers the unexpected. On the streets of Japan, you'll find vending machines that sell beer and neckties. And dressing up as a character is as commonplace as checking the news update each day in spring to track the arrival of the cherry blossoms moving through the country. Expect the unexpected in Japan. Here's a random fact for you. It's common for Japanese to give gifts of fruit as it can be considered a luxury product. One of the most expensive is the rare black rind watermelon, which can cost thousands of dollars. Some top things to do: you can strap on your skis and go skiing on the slopes of the Japan Alps. You can be humbled by a lesson about Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and you can also soak away your worries in one of the hot springs. One more thing that you can try is visiting Tokyo's fascinating fish market. The Japanese do enjoy raw fish, preferably as sashimi, sliced with soy, wasabi, and preserved radish. Enjoy. See you next time on Travel Discovery to see what country we will discover next. Please remember to like and subscribe. I will leave you with some beautiful images of Japan.